I'm Jimmy Hodges. I'm the president of Calhoun Community College, and we are so excited about this day because we are here to celebrate our respiratory therapy program. And I don't know if you know this or not, but respiratory therapy has always been very, very important. But when COVID hit, it became super important.
Early on, we hired Christy Goodwin and then Emily Russell, and they began to build this program from the ground up. When you do that, it takes vision and some planning and some execution to pull that off, and they did a wonderful job. You know, and that's what we do at the community college. I just want to kind of emphasize, we train and equip people to go out and serve the community to get a good paying job or to transfer on, whatever their pathway they choose, and we help them to be successful.
I'm just so proud to be here today. This has been like a labor of love. I think it was a vision that started maybe 4 years ago, and then it's been planning for 2 years, and so we're excited that we have our first cohort of students. They are out in the community representing Calhoun well, and so we thank our community partners, our clinical partners. We thank you guys for being here, for your support.
We're beginning an exciting chapter for our college and for our community. As many of you know, there's a growing need for respiratory therapists in Huntsville, Alabama, and all over Alabama. And students will soon be making a meaningful difference in the hospitals, clinics, and communities across our region.